Hey there, builders and future scientists. Today, we're diving into a project that's near and dear to my heart, exploring the fascinating world of DC motors and tackling the age-old dream of free energy. Now let's get one thing straight right off the bat. Free energy, as in creating energy out of thin air, is a myth. It violates the fundamental laws of physics, which are about as reliable as gravity. But that doesn't mean we can't have a ton of fun building a device that seems like it's bending the rules. In this project, we'll be using two DC motors to see if one can power the other in a continuous loop. Spoiler alert, it won't be a perpetual motion machine. But the journey of building and understanding why is where the real learning happens. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about DC motors. These nifty devices have been powering everything from toys to tools for ages. They work by using electricity and magnetism to create rotational force or torque. Inside a DC motor, we have a coil of wire, an electromagnet, and a set of magnets. When electricity flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field that interacts with the magnets, causing the coil to spin. For our project, you'll need two DC motors, some wires, a switch, and a way to connect them. You can get creative with the base, cardboard, wood, even Legos work. Connect the motors shaft to shaft, meaning one motor's spinning shaft directly turns the other motor's shaft. Now, wire one motor to the switch and a power source like a battery. The second motor will be our generator. With our setup ready, it's time for the big test. Flip that switch and watch what happens. One motor will spring to life, spinning merrily. But what about the other one? Is it spinning too, generating free energy? Well, you'll notice that while the second motor might twitch a little, it won't start spinning on its own. To confirm, you can use a multimeter to measure the output of the second motor. You'll find that there's no significant electrical energy being produced. So much for free energy, right? Section 4. The Law of Conservation of Energy. Don't be discouraged. This experiment isn't a failure. It's a resounding success in proving a fundamental law of physics, the law of conservation of energy. This law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted from one form to another. When we power the first motor, we're converting electrical energy into mechanical energy, the spinning. However, some energy is always lost due to friction and heat. This means there's simply not enough energy left to fully power the second motor and make it spin continuously. Section 5. The future of energy is yours. While our DIY project busted the myth of free energy, it opened a door to understanding the fascinating world of energy conversion and the importance of energy efficiency. Remember, even though we can't create energy from nothing, we can explore new and innovative ways to harness the energy around us. So keep experimenting, keep questioning, and keep that spirit of scientific curiosity alive. Who knows? Maybe one day, you'll be at the forefront of developing truly sustainable and efficient energy solutions for our planet.